As a matter of fact, the first 3 applicants that apply this week get a free washer dryer included with the purchase of their new home, okay? So here you have an area for a computer desk and / office without having to utilize one of these spaces, okay? Aquí se puede poner como una mesa o escritorio para una oficina si tienes una, sin tener que tomar una de las recámaras, porque esta es de 5 recámaras, 3 baños con 2 salas. All right, so this is a 5-bed, 3-bath with 2 living areas, plenty of plugs, no carpet, okay? 2,000 square feet. So if you have a big family and you want a nice big house at a good price, the SnowCap is the one for you, okay? So 432-201-1105, all right?